Hello everyone. So I'm here in this school from annex building from SCC in Manila. So because I'm go outside from this school from annex building. So it means I'm refreshing my air here from this one. So it means we have analyzed of these games here. So it means Sherham Masters 2025. So it means round number 3 or day 3 here from this one. So it means long game 1 hour and 30 minutes from this chess club, round robin from this one. So in these 2 days, round number 3 and also between from Grandmaster in China Zhu Junior versus the Grandmaster in UAE. So it means Saleh Salem. So it means these are the United. I don't know what UAE from this country from this one. So it means in today's round number 3 here in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 3 in Sherham Masters. So white plays Shu is e4, c5 Salem Sicilian defense, knight f3, d6. So it means d6 by Salem. So these are the main line and also knight to c6 and to e6. So it means these are the main lines here from this one. So back there is d6 by Salem and also d4 captured. Knight takes d4 is called Sicilian defense exchange variation from this one. And also knight f6 is threat by e4 by pawns here. So these are the threatening by pawns. And knight c3 by defense by protecting by pawns here, and also a6 without no more by bishop to b5 check. So it means these are the determinations. And bishop to e3 without develops here, and e6 without time control. So it means development. And bishop to e2. So it means bishop to e2 by Zhu. So it means castling kingside by upcoming castling by Zhu here from this one. Bishop to e7 by Salem, ready by castling by Salem from this one. And also f4. So, oh no, why she move f4? Because these are the moves here from f4 here. And castle kingside by Salem, g4. Oh my god. So it means g4. So these are his code triple pawns bypass pawn. So it means triple pass pawn. So it means these are the problems. So it means these are the problems by also that. And d5 by Salem. And e5 without pushes. So it means without push by e5 here. And knight e4. So it means e5 without threat by knights, without threatening by knights here. So it means move by Salem, knight e4 without jumping out. So it means jumping without knight e4 by Salem. Knight takes captured, pawn takes knight. So it means, so these are the without long collides by pawns. So these are cannot move by pawns. These are the bishop to knights and also that. So it means these are the long collides, lock collides from this one, long collides here. So it means terminations. And also castle kingside. So it means without castling, castle kingside is novelty by Zhu. So it means none of this booklet. So these are the old main line here. Good novelties. Queen d4, queen d2. Sorry. So it means queen d2. So it means queen d2 by old main lines here. So it means, I'm sorry, I forgot my wrong thinking here. So it means queen d2 are old main lines here. So it means queen d2. So it means these are novelty castle kingside by Zhu. So these are the problems. So these are the knight's pawns. So the pawns from this bishop here, and these are it's called the crossing here. Crossing without cross out from this one is called cross out island. So it means these are the is called by close distancing. So it means these are the castling. So it means without castling, or maybe without castling here, or maybe without castling. Castling. So these are the knights and without triple pawns and double bishop. So it means it's called crossing from this distancing. From this one, it's called cross distancing islands. So it means these are the crossing distancing islands here from this one. And also queen c7. So it means queen to c7 here, and without move by a4 or maybe by b5. So these are the moving here by the queen is also called by diagonals. So these are the weak pawns. Without weak here from this one. So these are the wickets here. So it means weak by diagonals here from this one. So these are the problems. So these are the knights or pawns, without pawns, and double bishop. So these are it's called distancing, close distancing islands. So it means these are weakest pawns here from this one. So it means move by c3 by Zhu from this one. And also knight d7. So it means knight d7 without move by Salem here from this one, and also knight b3. So it means these are first bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there is queen to d2 without movement here, without determinations, without best moves here from this one. So back there is knight b3 here by Zhu, and also b6 without move here, these are moved by Salem. So it means these are the problems by pawns or maybe by bishop here without controls here from this one. And also queen e1. So it means without queen e1 by Zhu, or maybe without move here by queen to f2, or maybe here by queen to g3. So these are the determinations here from this one. And bishop to b7 without defense. So without defense by pawns here. And rook d1. So it means without rook d1, without closes, without rook, queen, and rook here from this one. And also b5. And queen to f2 without movement by Schuschner. So these are the determinations by focusing by here. So I don't know what meaning this one from this one. It means bishop to d6. These are the threats by knights and also queens. So it means cannot move by bishop to b6 here from this one. And rook ae8 without a trunk by Salem. And also rook d2 ready by battery here these are the battery by upcoming battery. So it means rook d2 is another bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there is one is queen to g3. So it means these are queen to g3 here. So without termination, so it means queen to g3 here from this one. So back there is rook d2 and also f6. So it means good move by Salem. So it means these are the good move here without move by f6 here, and also battery rook fd1 without precise move here, or maybe without targets by knights without attacking this one, or threat by queens. So these are the strange by moves here from this one. And bishop to c6 without defense by knight, and knight d4 good move by Zhu. So these are the determinations without movement here. And also knight c5, and also capture this pawn, rook takes f6 without determinations. We need to controls or determinations here. And queen to g3. So it means, oh my god, these are latest move here without queen g3 here. So it means very late. And knight to d3. Oh, knight to d3 here. So it means knight to d3 without move size here, or maybe without without determinations. And bishop takes captured, pawn takes, and rook takes d3. So it means rook takes d3 here without move, or maybe without move here without time controls, or maybe without rook here. And also bishop to b7 without move by here, without, these are the develops here from this one. And also g5 threatening by rook, and also another good move, rook f7, another good move by Salem. So these are the determinations here. And knight takes captured. Oh, without sacrifice, is that sacrifice? So it means knight takes a6 without threat by queens, or maybe without determinations, without develops here, without targets attacking these queens here from this one. And queen c8. So it means without threats by knight. So these are threatening by knights here, or targets by knights here. And knight d4. Oh, without go back. And bishop to c5 threatening by knights. And also h3. So it means these are good precise move by Jules Journer here. And bishop to backwards a8. So it means without backwards or develops here. And king h2. So it means king h2 here. And bishop to d6. So it means bad move by Salem. So the best moves there is one is rook to fe7 without battery. So these are the nice beautiful evaluation bar. So it means black is the highest evaluation bar. So it means nice good decisions by evaluation bar here from this one. So back there is one is bishop to d6, and also knight f5 without precise move by here, or sacrifice by Jules Journer. So it means sacrifice. So these are the threat by here with the problems threatening by knight, I mean bishop. So it means, sorry, I got wrong my thinking. So it means knight threat by bishop here, or threatening by bishop by here from this one. And also bishop takes captured, and queen takes f4. So it means queen takes f4 here. So these are the here. So it means bishop is called opposite color bishop. So it means, so what a new opposite color bishop from this one. So it means without coloring, or opposite color bishop from this one. So it means slightly better from this opposite color bishop. So it means, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I forgot this one from this word, from this opposite color bishop. So it means without bishop, or bishop opposite color bishop here from this one. And also rook takes knight. So it means without rook takes knight, without threats, or maybe without threatening by queen, or rook, or threats by attacking this queen. So it means, so the first puzzle, so what you think the focusing the new brilliant move by Grandmaster Zhu in this China. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook d8. Brilliant move by Jules Journer. Wow, what a sacrifice move. Brilliant sacrifice. And rook takes captured. Rook takes captured, and queen takes rook. So it means without rook takes captured here, and queen takes rook. Oh. So it means, so queen takes rook here. So these are the, oh, what a nice opposite color bishop. So it means these are nice shot from this opposite color bishop. So it means without queen to queen and bishop to bishop. So it means opposite color bishop. So it means opposite color bishop from this one. And also queen d6 check, and last shot queen f4. So it means the decided is another again agreed draw from this round number 3. So why they agreed draw? Because if you move by queen takes queen to queen and bishop takes queen, so it means opposite color bishop. So it means draw. So it means these are the nice determinations here from this one. So it means, so time clock 16 minutes by Salem and 30 minutes by Jujoner. So it means, look at this one. So it means nice shot from this opposite color or slightly opposite color bishop here from this one. So the score from this one, from Jujoner is 96.3 score, and the black score 97.3. So the wins from this one black is Grandmaster Saleh Salem from UAE. So it means, so I think Jujoner will wins from these points here from this one. So the next round, round number 4, so I will analyze of these two games here from this one. So it means I will analyze there soon here from this one. So it means I'm here from school from Annex building from SEC. These are I'm refreshing by wind from this outside here. So it means these are noisy from this windy days and also that afternoon here session. So I hope at this part of this video, thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. So it means have a good day, happy Tuesday. Bye bye.